Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in the previous few parts we have seen how to use Optin Dojo in order to insert your affiliate links, and also how to segregate your bias list C, and how to create the traffic source, and also how to create the tracking links. Now in this part 16 of this training series, we are going to see how to integrate Optin Dojo with different email autoresponders like AWeber and Getresponse. So in this particular part, we are going to see how to integrate Optin Dojo with AWeber. Now this is going to be one of the most important topics because most people get it wrong in this stage. Now, if you're one of those guys who really needs a top mentor and build a serious online business, and who really wants a coach who can guide you, then please stay tuned till this end of this video. Now, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now, this is the Optin Dojo dashboard, and if you've not got your Optin Dojo, then please check the link in the description box below in order to get your Optin Dojo account. Now, go and click on the funnels, and once you click on the funnels, go to the primary funnel. Here it is lead pages for me, and under the email tracking setup, click on the email tracking setup and select your autoresponder. So now we are going to see AWeber. Click on AWeber, and here you can see the 4 different tabs like email opens, email links, email editor, and sneaky redirects. So email editor and sneaky redirects, we are not going to use it at this moment. And now only thing is email opens and email links. So email opens, it's nothing but the tracking, inserting the tracking pixel for email broadcast and also email automation. Now if you want to get your tracking pixel for automation, then you have to get over here, and if you want to get your tracking pixel for email broadcast, then you have to get it over here. So in this case we are going to get for an email broadcast. Now just enter the email name. So in this case I'm going to enter it as RPM1. So click on the get pixel over here. Now here is your pixel, and you can copy this pixel and go to your AWeber account. Now this is going to be one of the email broadcast, and you can just click in anywhere here and then go to this 3 dots and click on the source code over here and just drag down to the bottom and enter the pixel over here. So once entered, you can click on OK. So once the email tracking pixel is inserted, now just go to your Optin Dojo under the funnels. Now go and click on the email links. So click the pick an offer from rotator. Now this is going to be the tracking pixel for your affiliate link, where you can copy this and you can go and highlight the word and just click on the insert link over here and paste that affiliate link over here. So once it shows as green tick, you can click on save. So that's how we enter, and after that you can click on the save and exit button. So that's how we enter the email tracking pixel and also enter the affiliate link in our email broadcast. So once done, click on the save button over here, and always please save the funnel and click on the close. Now, if you want to learn the advanced strategies of how to integrate different rotators and different funnels, and also channel all these leads into different email autoresponders with Optin Dojo, then I would seriously suggest you to look into my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below. And let me explain why this program is going to be a game changer if you are willing to put in the work and have a never give up attitude. So once you click on the link in the description box below, you will reach this page called Passive Income Profits. Now let me show you why there is no such program which will handhold you. When you scroll down, you have 3 levels of mentorship program: the beginners club, the star club, and the inner circle. The beginners club is $97 USD one time. Now in beginners club, you just go and click on the check curriculum button, and once you click on the check curriculum button, you have different video trainings on different topics like email marketing and social media marketing, paid ad success secrets, and course creation success secrets. So you have more than 100 different videos that give us so much value for a merely $97 USD one time. So this program is going to be more of like a do it yourself. Watch the videos and try it on your own. Now, when you click on the next one, which is the Star Club, which is 1997 US dollars one time. Now, this is for those guys who want more advanced strategies regarding email marketing and social media marketing. So in this program, you will get one-time weekly group Zoom sessions, 60 minutes on every Sundays. And you'll also get personal Facebook Messenger access, and your questions will be answered in less than 12 hours. And the next and the final one is the Inner Circle, and this is going to be 6997 US dollars one time. Now you might think, why is this so costly? Now, just guys, listen to me. Now, in the Inner Circle program, you get everything included in the Star Club and Beginners Club, and also the most important promise that is being made in the Inner Circle is that the mentor Ben from Singapore will work directly with you perpetually until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 USD in profit for consecutively 3 months. So that is the promise, that is the time commitment that is being given by the mentor for your success. And also you get a one-on-one weekly Zoom session of minimum of 60 minutes so you can get your doubts clarified. Now, the way to enroll into the Inner Circle program, where the success rate is 82%, go and click on the check curriculum button, and here you can see the book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, you always need to book a Zoom session with the mentor before enrolling into this program. Now, why is it needed? This is a complimentary Zoom session, and in this Zoom session, you will discuss with the mentor, and he will get to know about you and your goals, your aspirations, your time commitment, your capital requirement, and also your never give up attitude. So once you deem fit for his program, and if he likes you, then you can enroll into this program and you can start your online business. So you can see it for yourself what the time commitment that the mentor is giving you. It's literally a blank check, and which you cannot see in anywhere in the online marketing space. So for those guys who are really serious and want to quit their 9 to 5 job and want to build an online business using email marketing, then I would request you to come along with us and join us, and let's succeed together in our online space. So let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then,